Good job. So you tipped it into a string.
Listen, Con.
Okay, I'm listening. I'm listening.
So she's holding this. Stop!
I'm vlogging.
You're not vlogging.
I am. I have to vlog. I told people I'd vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of me in camera. I'm vlogging again. Obviously, it's Kiah.
Stop.
Why don't you want to be in it? You've been in like so many, and you don't even want to be in this.
I don't want to be in it voluntarily.
Voluntarily. This isn't voluntarily. This is just you not knowing.
Go back
Are we going this way?
story?
Yeah, go back to your noodle story.
So she's holding the strainer of noodles, and then she just.
Oh, I thought we were going that way. Up the hill.
Oh, halfway.
Yeah, I know.
And then she comes up and she goes, "Hey, Kiah," and she puts the noodles on top of my head, and she goes, "Huh." But then all this boiling water and hot fucking noodles. Wait, dog. All this boiling water and hot noodles.
Hot noodles.
Burn my head.
Burn your head.
And I'm
Burn your scalp.
screaming around the house because this boiling water's burning me.
You're screaming around the house.
I am. It hurts so
So,
bad.
let me get something straight.
She burnt my head with boiling water and noodles. She thought it would be funny. Brooke, it was not funny.
I don't think Brooke watches these, but yeah.
Well, I'm gonna make her watch this one.
Okay. I'm gonna name it Boiling Water Gets Tipped on Someone's Head. Yeah, but
That's called clickbaiting.
yeah, exactly. I'll clickbait it. Look at this rental inquiries.
Free advertising.
Yeah, free advertising. I need a promotion. I need someone to sponsor me. One time I saw a person here. I saw Ryan here. He almost got hit by a car. It was raining too, so he's like, yeah. Okay, I'm bored. Go back to your noodle story. Is that it?
That was it.
Is that it?
I had to run it on the side running and shit. There was a big mark on my head for ages. Fuck you, bro.
Okay, hey guys, we're back at North Lakes. This is Ryan. I told people I was gonna vlog. Now they don't want to be in the vlog. No. You always want to be in the vlog, Abby. And then you're like, Ryan's fine. Ryan's fine with it. Hey, I play that game.
Baseball board.
And Courtney's like,
She's playing Hay Day.
doesn't want to be in the vlog now. What is it? I gotta zoom in on it. I gotta download that. I haven't downloaded it.
Not number 2, number 1.
What is this?
Oh, Ethan.
I don't even know what that is. Hey guys, we're back. And I forgot to film the shots the whole time except for that one time just before that you saw in the vlog. But right now, oh my god, I just woke up. I'm at the train station as well. I have to go to work, so I might do some filming there. I don't know. Probably not. But if this is the end of the vlog, I will see you guys at the end of the vlog. Yeah, it won't be now, it'll be soon. So, see you guys soon. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. I'm so sorry I didn't do anything. This whole vlog was just boring to film. I don't think I'm gonna do anything either because I'm at home and I'm not doing anything at the moment. There's nothing to do. There's a ruler on the ground. Anyways guys, I hope you liked this video. Pretty sure you didn't like this video because it was